Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to create MyGov account. First, go to the MyGov app on your mobile phone. Once reached here, you can sign into your account. To create your account on MyGov, you can go to my.gov.au. Then go to the browser and search for my.gov.au. Next, it'll give you the option to create your account. After that, you can continue with email or digital ID. To continue with email, hit that button and agree on the terms and conditions along with a privacy notice. Now tap on Next and enter your email address. Here, hit Next and enter the code sent to the provided email. To get the code, open the Gmail app and copy the code. Following that, paste it into the my.gov.au website. Lastly, enter your email address to create MyGov account. If you don't have a mobile number or mobile coverage, you'll need to answer secret questions to sign in. You can select skip this step if you can't use a mobile number. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.